Hi, my name is Jimil Doshi and I'll be presenting the electric skateboard. So this was a part of my Beyond the Studio project in which I used a 250-watt micro motor controller, a 24-volt battery and a 250-watt motor as well. So this was all made by me. The electricals, other than the electricals, the whole board, the bolting and the whole system, the whole design came up from me. And the whole system was made in our Beyond the Studio as a hobby project. This was incorporated from the learnings of our physical project, of our course project, which is an electric cycle. So using those learnings, we have actually created this project in which it has a forward and reverse mechanism as well. And it is a mobility solution as a validation to creating something more which can be used as a mobility device for any kind of aspect. And this is all about the electric skateboard. Thank you.